Salimele SA Refresh acethula ku-share uphinde ucomment wakhohlinayo subscriber kulona leli page leli SA Refresh. Ayipheli indaba ezibuhlungu embuthweni wamaphoyisa. Zimbike indaba abobuli be-SA Refresh kumaphoyisa amathathu esibala uConstable Cebelikhulu Linda oneminyaka ewu-24 kube uConstable Khemo Khetswe Bais oneminyaka ewu-30 msuku uConstable Boipelo Senogo oneminyaka ewu-20. Lamaphoyisa lawo amathathu abedukile aqala ukudonga ngomhla ka-23 April behamba ngemoto yohlobo lwe-VW emhlophe besuka eBloemfontein beya endaweni abebesebenzela kuyona eLimpopo. Amaphoyisa aze akhipha umehlo kayiboni ka-350,000 komuntu ongasabe nolwazi lolamaphoyisa wamathathu. Indaba ke babuli be-SA Refresh bisigcwele inkundla zokuxhumana kuphushwa indaba yokuthi lamaphoyisa wamathathu awatholwe. Kuze kwakhishwa ngisho nevideo ke esizondlalela yona okuyila khona begcine ukubonakala khona bethela upetrol kwigarage lase-engine eduze kwase-Grasmere Toll Plaza ku-N1 ngolwesithathu. Kutholakale idumbu ke kwindawo engamenshonwanga ukuthi ke iyiphi leyo ndawo leyo. Kulezo idumbu lezo ezimbili imindeni yalamaphoyisa lawa aconfirmile ukuthi ezabo idumbu. Isidumbu sikaLinda Cebelikhulu bese kuba isidumbu sikaBoipelo Senogo. Kusabhekwa ke nezinye idumbu ukuthi mhlambe uConstable Bais ngeke aze avele yini kuzona. Esingakusho nje ukuthi uConstable Bais ugane ulwazi oke naye wavela kubantu beindaba ezwakalisa ubuhlungu besimo abhekene naso ngenxa ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe uhambe ngokomsebenzi kodwa ke akasatholakali kusolwe ukuthi naye ukulaba abashonile oConstable. Ngaphambi kokuthi babukele be-SA Refresh indlela le video ngicela ukuthi u-like, u-share uphinde ucomment wakhohlwa njalo ukusubscribe kulona leli page leli SA Refresh.
And the footage you got right there can USB. Well, it's a high tech right push it off. Okay. If you can as it go high tech tomorrow, you can get the picture tomorrow. The face of the person.
Picture I can't do your place in the course.
Yeah, that one not for